this video, we're going to take a look at comments in HTML. Now, what are comments? Now, from time to time, as you work on your HTML files, sometimes your files can get large. And when your files get large, you want to leave notes for yourself as the person who is writing the HTML, so that sometime in the future, if you need to come back to that HTML code you have written, you can find your way inside the code. Now, comments reside inside your code and don't show in your browser. Let's see examples of how comments are written. So if I were to write a comment in this file, how would I do it? Well, all I need to do to write a comment is I'll start with an angle bracket here, and I do an exclamation mark followed by 2 dashes. Now, this tells HTML that I want to write a comment, and then I can say this is an example form submission. And then when I am done with the comment I want to put in, I just do dash dash, and then I do that right angle bracket to close. So I start the comment with a left angle bracket, then an exclamation mark, then dash dash, then the comment or whatever it is I want to write, and then when I'm done, I close it out with dash dash and then the right angle bracket. Now, once you write this, anytime you look at your code, you would find this comment, which is like a note to yourself or to any other person who would be looking at your HTML. However, the user or any other person who is viewing, let's do a file and save so that you can see this. Any other person who is viewing this site or this web page will not see the comment. You can see the comment is hidden. It's there in the code, but when you look on the page, the comment is not there. And this is the position where the comment should have been. If file and save and refresh, the comment should have been right here if it was not properly done. But then, because it is a comment, you find it in your code, but then you don't see it displayed on the browser. The browser or the user or anyone seeing the web page does not see your comment. So in order to write a comment, what you want to do is you want to do left angle brackets, you want to do an exclamation mark, 2 dashes, and then you can write out your comment, and then you close it out with 2 dashes and a right angle bracket. And that's how you write comments. So you can write as much comment as you want in the body of your code. It won't display in the browser, and it will only show up in the code. And comments can be a lifesaver, especially where you have large scale projects where you've written tons and tons and tons of lines of code, and you come back and you don't even remember what you've done in the past. When you have comments in your code, it can help you to easily figure out what you did in the past. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.